what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a very fresh, glowy and natural makeup look. Something that you can wear every single day to college, to office and pretty much everywhere. And this look is very minimalistic. It involves the most minimal products. It only takes 5 minutes to pull off this makeup look. And the best part is that I'm not going to be using any foundations or concealers or any powders. There are absolutely no base products, and in spite of that my skin is going to look very glowy and dewy. So to start off, I'm going to begin with some skincare, and I'm going to be using this 10% vitamin C essence serum by Mamaearth. This serum contains vitamin C and gotu kola, which both have amazing benefits for your skin. Vitamin C helps to add an amazing glow on your skin, and it helps to reverse sun damage, while gotu kola helps to repair your skin. And you can purchase the serum from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And in case if you want a discount, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, to achieve a 20% off on Mamaearth's website and on Mamaearth's app. So after spreading it all across my face, I'm just gently patting it into my skin for the serum to be absorbed by my skin. And because I use the vitamin C serum, I'm not going to be using any base products whatsoever, but just the tiniest bit of concealer under my eyes, because that's where my dark circles are, and there is no skincare product that's going to help to lighten the dark circles instantly or even in the long run. So I'm just going to apply the tiniest bit of concealer here. That's it. So as you can see, just by applying the tiniest bit of concealer, my face looks more lifted and it looks more bright and more fresh. Now you want to make sure that the concealer matches your skin tone perfectly, or you can use a foundation that is exactly your skin tone and apply it under your eyes. Do not use a brightening concealer because you're not really applying any other base products on your face, and that's just going to look a little odd. So make sure that the concealer matches your skin tone perfectly. Now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows very lightly. You don't want to overdo this, but just fill in the gaps that you have. And then just brush out your eyebrows to make them look all natural. Okay, so I completely forgot this step, but if you apply a concealer under your eyes, you really need to set it in place, otherwise it's just going to crease. So I'm just going to apply the tiniest bit of powder only under my eyes and not anywhere on my face. Now moving on to the rest of the face, I'm not going to be contouring because I want this look to look natural. So I'm just going to apply the tiniest bit of blush on my cheeks, to get that freshness. And then again, since it's a very natural and glowy makeup look, I'm not going to be using a powder blush. I'm going to be using a lipstick. So any pink lipstick that you have, whatever matches your skin, whatever looks subtle on you, you can use that. So I'm just going to apply this on the back of my hand. And then using a wet sponge like this, I'm just going to pick up the lipstick with the back of the sponge like that, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. As you can see, that looks so natural. It looks like a flushed effect on my skin from within. I'm also going to apply the tiniest bit of this on my nose and a little bit on my chin to sort of balance it out. Now this step is completely optional, but if you want to add a little bit of color to your eyes, then you can apply the same blush on your eyes. Now I've used the tiniest bit of product, but you can see that it makes a lot of difference. So I'm going to repeat the same. Moving on to my favorite part, that is applying a highlighter. Again, I don't want to go in with the highlighter directly on my skin, but I'm going to be using a moisturizer on my skin first. This one's by Mamaearth. It's the vitamin C oil-free moisturizer. This one's great for oily skin as it is oil-free and it provides an amazing glow to your skin. So I'm just applying it on the high points of my cheeks. I'm just blending it right there. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter now and I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it. So I'm gonna apply it on the highest point of my cheek, right where I applied the moisturizer. And by doing something and by using this technique, the highlighter isn't gonna look powdery. It's not gonna look like it's got a lot of powders, it's got a lot of shimmers and glitters in it. It's gonna look very natural, like you've got a glow from within going on. So this is an amazing technique that you can use for a natural look. I'm gonna repeat the same technique on my forehead, nose and chin as well. Make sure that you don't blend the moisturizer completely into your skin, but just almost. The best part is that since you do not have any base makeup on, no foundation, no nothing, you can actually blend all of the skincare and makeup that you're doing really well so that it looks all natural. Before I jump onto the lips, I'm just going to complete the eye makeup look using a mascara. This is a new launch by Maybelline, so let me know if you want to see a full review on this. I would love to make one. To complete off the lips, again for my lips, I'm not going to be using a lipstick directly on my lips, but I'm going to be applying it on the back of my hand first. And then with the help of the beauty blender, I'm just picking up the product and patting it all over my lips. You can see that it's added a very subtle pink tint on my lips, made my lips feel a little dry. So I'm going to top this off with a lip balm. This is going to help to hydrate my lips and it's going to bring about that very glossy, a very subtle, tinted lips wala look. So that's all about this makeup look. I love how natural and subtle the blush looks. It looks so beautiful and I love how glowy the highlighter looks. I think this look turned out to be so pretty, so natural, and you can literally wear this look every single day, anywhere you go. I've used the most minimal amount of products, absolutely no base products, just a little bit of concealer under my eyes because that's the only solution for dark circles. But apart from that, nothing, no base makeup. And the reason why my skin looks so beautiful in spite of not wearing any base makeup is because of vitamin C. I use vitamin C serums on an everyday basis. They are a part of my daily skincare routine and that's the reason why my skin glows so much. So if you're not into using vitamin C serums yet, try this one out. It's just 10% vitamin C, which is a very beginner friendly amount of vitamin C. It's a very lightweight serum, a very non-oily, non-sticky formulation, and it gives you an instant illumination effect. So try this out, you will not be disappointed. And in case if you want to purchase this, purchase it from Mamaearth's website, because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees. So you can be a part of this initiative by placing orders directly from their website. You can also use their app, and trust me, Mamaearth products are amazing. I use them all the time. They are toxin free. They're free from harmful chemicals like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, which are not just harmful for your skin, they don't just have side effects for your skin but also for the environment, because when companies produce such harmful chemicals and when they dispose such harmful chemicals, it's really not good for the environment. So Mamaearth is free from all of the toxin chemicals. So I highly recommend you check out the serum and also the oil-free moisturizer if you have oily skin. So if you end up trying out this makeup look, then do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And also follow me on Instagram. The direct link is in the description box below. And yeah, if you have any other video requests, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to make more videos for y'all. And with that's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.